What's up, guys? Hey, we just got these Yukons in right here. We got 3 of them. They're the 2023. Show you what's different on these. We got 3 white ones, 1 midnight blue. He's just dropping off. There's some Tahoes up there, but I guess they're gonna go to another dealership. But let me show you the interior. They all have jet black. Let me do a walk around it. This is the new midnight blue. They're all SLTs. Here we go. It looks black, but it has a little blue tint in it, so I think right when it's kind of cloudy right now, I don't know if you can tell. Let me show you the interior of this one. Leather seats, premium Bose surround sound. They all have the dark gray wood. There we go. Interior. You get the seats with the khaki outline. Console. Here's the middle console screen. Here we go. Captain seats. They just came in, so I'll probably make a little drive video later on. There we go. Oh, captain seats. I think I said bucket seats. There's the interior. Let me see the interior of this one. I think this one's black as well. Yeah. Alright. Let me show the exterior of this one. They're all short base. Here we go. Beautiful black interior. Alright. Go around. Alright, guys. I appreciate it. These won't last long. See you later. Bye.